There's a moment when the heart starts racing, the chest feels tight, and the mind screams that something is terribly wrong. A panic attack is taking over. It's a terrifying feeling, and anyone who has experienced it knows how overwhelming it can be. But there is a simple, yet powerful, tool to fight back. A technique that is with you at all times. That tool is your own breath. Welcome, this is a step-by-step guide to the 4-7-8 breathing technique. A lifeline that can pull anyone back from the edge of panic. Let's break down how it works. So, why does this simple pattern inhale 4, hold 7, exhale 8 work so effectively? This isn't magic, it's biology. Panic puts the body into fight or flight mode. The 4-7-8 technique acts as a powerful brake on that response. It activates the body's rest and digest system, also known as the parasympathetic nervous system. The key is this: the long, 8-second exhale is the most critical part. It physically slows the heart rate and sends a powerful message to the brain that the danger has passed. It communicates that you are safe, and you are in control. The best way to learn is by experiencing it. This next section is a guided practice. There is no need to worry about the count. Simply follow the guidance. Find a comfortable spot. Sit up straight, but allow your shoulders to relax. You can close your eyes if it feels right for you. A helpful tip: try placing the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth, just behind your front teeth. Alright, let's begin. First, let out all the air from your lungs with a gentle whoosh sound. Now, gently close your mouth and breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold that breath softly for a count of 7. And now, exhale completely through your mouth for a count of 8. That was 1 round. Let's do that 3 more times. Continue to follow the guidance. Breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold that breath softly for a count of 7. And now, exhale completely through your mouth for a count of 8. Again, breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold that breath softly for a count of 7. And now, exhale completely through your mouth for a count of 8. 1 last round. Breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold that breath softly for a count of 7. And now, exhale completely through your mouth for a count of 8. Excellent work. Before moving on, just sit for a moment. Notice the quiet. That feeling of calm. It was created by you. It's always available. To make this technique a reliable skill, here are 3 final things to remember. Number 1. Practice when calm. Don't wait for a panic attack to use this for the first time. Practicing for just a few minutes every day builds a calmness muscle in the brain, making it an automatic response when truly needed. Number 2. This is a tool, not a cure. This is an incredibly effective technique for managing panic in the moment. However, for severe or frequent panic attacks, it is essential to consult with a doctor or a mental health professional. Number 3. You are more powerful than your panic. Remember that you have tools, strength, and the ability to guide your body back to a state of peace. It's valuable to hear from the community. What is the one thing that helps you when you feel anxious? Share it in the comments below. A shared tip might be exactly what someone else needs to hear today. If this guide was helpful, hitting the like button helps the video reach more people. Share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more real-world tools for a calmer mind. Thank you for watching.